Now let us understand one question on force between two parallel currents topic. Here we are given a rectangular coil and one wire is separately shown. Here 2 ampere current is flowing and in this rectangular coil 1 ampere current is flowing. We have to calculate the net force on this coil. Net force. Okay. Now you see, if we see these two parts, they are parallel currents. Then this side of the rectangular coil and this wire, they are unlike currents. So the forces can be shown separately on all the sides. So this side is going to experience force attractive because these are like currents. So if I call this force F1, that means due to this wire, force experienced by AB side will be attractive. So F1 direction will be here. And force by this side due to this wire. Okay, they are opposite currents or unlike currents. So here the force will be repulsive, that means away. Okay, F1 and F2 are away forces. Now what about the forces experienced by this sides due to this wire? So here no force is experienced. Why? Because force formula is I L cross B or ILB sin theta. Now current direction is upward. Okay, current direction is upward. So first of all it will produce magnetic field here. So using right hand thumb rule, if we find the current magnetic field direction, thumb is upward, magnetic field direction. So for this and this case, no, magnetic field is coming parallel to these currents. Okay, like current is in this direction, magnetic field is also in this direction only. So when L and I and B are in the same direction, theta is 0, so force is 0. Okay, so force is 0 for which sides? CB side and AD side. Okay, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इसका बनाना है राइट हैंड थंब रूल से. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट व्हेन फर्स्ट वायर, फर्स्ट करंट एंड सेकेंड करंट, they are perpendicular, no, first current and second current. If they are perpendicular, then no force will be experienced. Force will be only experienced by the two wires when they are parallel, like this case and this case. Okay, so here forces are not there, only two forces are there on the coil. One is in this direction, one is in this direction. So net force we need to find. Firstly, let us calculate F1 and F2. Formula of the force per unit length F1 by L is mu 0 I1 I2 upon 2 pi R. Okay, mu 0 upon 2 pi is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Okay, how? I'll tell you. Mu 0 answer is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. 2 pi is in the denominator. I1 and I2 currents, 2 and 1. 2 and 1 written. What is the distance? 2 centimeter. Convert it in meter. Okay. Now we need to multiply this L here to get the total force. Okay. So this L, that means what is the length of this wire on which we are calculating the force. So length of this wire is given 15 centimeter. Okay, so here I will put 15 centimeter, means 15 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. All other things are substituted like this only. This way we will get the answer of F1 first. This thing. Now let us solve F2 in the same manner. F2. So what you do? Only take this wire and the total distance between them. So you have to focus on this wire, this side of the coil, and this wire. What is the distance between these two? Total distance. So you see 2 centimeter and 10 centimeter. That means 12 centimeter is the distance now. Okay, let us put all the values. Mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7. I1, I2 is 2 and 1. Upon distance is 12. 2 pi into distance is 12 centimeter. Okay. And because length is also to be multiplied, what is the length of this wire? Again 15 centimeter. This way the answer F2 we will obtain, that is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. When I solve it, 5 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. Now net force. So F1 direction is this direction. F2 direction is this direction. So net force will be subtraction of the two because they are opposite. So when we subtract for getting the net force, 30 minus 5 will become 25 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. Okay, 25 into 10 raised to power minus 7 Newton. What will be the direction of the net force according to the bigger force? Bigger force is F1. So this coil will experience a net force towards the wire, not away from the wire. Okay, so this is the answer.